In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Hitman Blood Money Msvcr71.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Now here you can find the system type, so take note of that, and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, then scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon and then double click on the setup file. Check this box, I agree to the license terms and conditions, and click on install to simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Next method is to go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type SFC scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is completed, then just simply type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. Next method, also update your Windows. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for, download, and install the latest updates for your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.